Okay, where the receipt?
I said not give me the receipt.
Okay, if they don't give it, why do you want me to believe so you pay?
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to our
channel.
Today we are back with another hot pot mukbang. So today we are eating Ghana jollof with boiled egg and turkey. So this is our Ghana jollof, and here we have drinking water. And guys, guess what? We are eating with our bare hand. Our hand is washed. So before we start to demolish this food, as it is hot, rice in a baby on a baby. So if you are new, you are welcome. If you are my old returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really do appreciate. So before we go, digging inside the food, so let's just thank God for providing the food for us. Very important. Amen.
Amen.
So guys, please come close and let us demolish like hot pot gang acid. So don't mind this my today is pajama. So I'm wearing pajamas. So this is evening time. This is 6:45. So evening I will go sleep. I do small job.
This one is dangerous.
What you make a dangerous? Oh no.
I'm not sure how you know what is in there.
David. Rice in a baby.
We don't just stop food. Stop what you are doing.
You know what? Rice in a baby. Rice in the uncle. Is this not what you're doing? I'm doing for my own family, not your own family.
You even the opposite. This one has soup.
Rice in a baby. Let me turn your side.
No. Don't on that side.
Are you enjoying the food?
Yes, so.
You enjoy it?
Why I'm not enjoying? I enjoy now.
Ça va pas soupe. Oh, beaucoup.
Yeah.
Il faut le dire.
What's that?
Maman. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What you happen when landlord dey call by this time? I'll put the speaker out. You go see call.
Where did you cut it?
I not cut it though. I want pick now the thing cut. Eh? This one when landlord dey call by this time. What you happen?
No.
Huh?
You should call him back. What have you done before?
I know. Ah. I don't know.
I will finish it. No. Call him back.
Oh, you go call back. If they think they important, you go call.
Let me do a side.
I want to say important, you go call back.
Sì, pronto?
Sì, pronto?
Pronto, Samuel?
Sì?
Mi senti? Samuel, mi senti?
Sì?
Ma non mi vuoi pagare l'affitto? Non mi vuoi pagare l'affitto che adesso è 4 mesi che non mi hai pagato? Che sta succedendo, Samuel? Sai che devo pagare le tasse di tutta la casa, sai? Quindi se non mi paghi, come faccio a pagare le tasse? Samuel, non si fa così, sai? Se no io vengo a buttarti fuori dalla casa perché io non ce la faccio più, sai? 4 mesi adesso non mi paga l'affitto, io tocco a pagare le tasse tutto con i miei soldi e tu abita lì e sta comodo con tua famiglia. Così si fa? Anche così si fa in tuo paese, Africa, se abita a casa non si paga niente? Cioè, Dio voglia, io non ce la faccio più, sai? Cerca di pagarmi, se no non ti trovo bene. Io vengo a buttarti fuori dalla casa perché non si fa così, non funziona così mai. Io te le dico. Basta. Mi senti di nuovo e io ti faccio sapere come funziona, se non mi vuoi pagare. Buonasera, ciao.
Babe, what happened?
Where?
You hear what in the landlord talk, you say where?
I hear what you talking.
What happened?
For which I'm going to. For
Ah!
how? What happened for you? He said
What
we-
happened when you never
He
pay?
said would they pay would they owe 4 months?
How would they work 4 months?
Not by the landlord, don't
Which
do
kind of man the landlord?
no mind now.
Which kind don't mind now?
I pay, no mind.
Which kind you pay?
No mind am, eat food.
Which kind eat
Don't
food?
mind him. You don't drink.
What you drink?
No mind am. Not do it at all. No mind am. Eat your food.
Which kind eat food?
I
4
dey
months.
pay. I dey pay. No mind.
You they pay where they okay go and bring the receipt, let me see.
Receipt.
Eh.
I dey make video. If I do video finish, I'll give you a camera.
Which kind of talk be this one now?
Eat your food.
Which kind eat your food? Don't mind landlord, don't mind
They
landlord.
just finish Christmas and New Year. The man dey broke. He don't finish him money for Christmas and New Year. You know the way they behave sometimes.
No. This is not acceptable.
Which I'm saying no.
No.
Okay, you want to trust the landlord more than me. I pay no picker.
Which kind you pay no picker? You carry Bankoma, go to Tabaki and pay money Which one be your problem?
I said I
What
pay.
are you doing with all the money?
I said I pay.
Which kind you pay?
I pay.
You pay. Why is he calling me, telling me is you pay?
No
you
mine
don't
now.
pay. Which kind no mine now? I know they like all this kind of attitude.
Tomorrow morning go meet her. I pay. No.
Okay, you pay. Why you can't they call? They ask me. They ask.
I just say you know, say you know, say sometimes the landlord they drink.
No, this is not
The man
true.
they broke.
Which kind broke?
You don't pay money for Christmas and New Year.
Kai God.
I pay too. I pay.
Okay, go and bring the receipt. Let me check. Either you pay or not.
What is it?
The receipt of the
What they pay?
what you did pay. If you go pay the money for tobacco, they will give you a receipt.
Even I go pay for okay. You
The
dey
retributor.
the distributor.
Eh.
You they believe the landlord, they believe.
When the retributor, when you as you go pay the money, the retributor they give you.
They not give distributor.
Which can they not give you retributor? Don't provoke me. Oh.
They not give.
Don't let me carry this food
Hey.
to you. Oh.
I beg go.
Which can you beg? Oh? Where the retributor?
You they believe the landlord. Okay, you want to take me? I think I pay.
You pay. Why is she
Now
calling
today
me?
I don't dey pay as
You know,
well.
I don't believe you.
You don't believe
I
me?
want to believe. Okay, if you pay, how landlord will come the call? Not even 1 month, 2 months, 4 months.
Okay, you go believe me. I go just 4 months. 1 month you no call, 2 months. No, 4 months. You call they call you today will be Sunday.
I don't because they think the money don't too much now. 4 months you never pay.
No,
Which
I
landlord
pay.
will accept it?
I pay.
Okay, where the receipt?
No, the landlord they know.
Okay, go and bring the retributor. Let me know.
The
say
man
you
they
pay.
broke.
Okay, go and bring the retributor.
Tomorrow I go meet her.
Which
If I
kind
shout
tomorrow?
for
Go and
your
bring the
head,
retributor. You
if I
said you go
shout for
there.
your head,
It is here in Africa.
you know me. If I shout, open
Go and bring the retributor. Let me know. Say you pay. Then that will be my evidence.
They don't give me distributor. I don't know. They don't give me distributor.
Which one they not give you
man, why I go
retributor? Which thing you want go do for you this Italy? They no go give you retributor. Which money you go pay? They no go give you retributor. Which office?
They don't give me.
Which can they not give you people? I know they like all this kind of team idea.
What type of money do? I say I pay.
I need to ask you, what do you use money do?
I pay. Okay. You not gonna believe the landlord now that your wife.
Because if you never pay, if you don't pay the money, landlord will never call. Italian people, their promises is promise. If you
I
not
said
pay,
pay.
okay, where the receipt?
I said not give me receipt.
Okay, if they
go
don't give
back.
it, why do you want me to believe say you pay?
Okay, go back if you know say I pay. Okay, what type of money do you say?
That's my problem.
I bet I pay. Eat food. I pay. No, the landlord don't
Don't worry.
get. You
I
don't
know
get.
what to do.
I pay.
The account number.
Because they believe what you put down me with your wife.
Because if you don't pay the money, the landlord will never call. Even though if it is 1 month. I know say this January I never pay. That one now true, I never pay. But if you talk about 4 months, making January, making 5 months, why?
No mind now.
Which kind of mind now?
You don't drink. The Lord don't drink.
What thing make me say they talk this matter? You say they don't give you the receipt. Okay, they don't give you the receipt for the first November own. I mean they don't give you receipt for December own.
All the former they don't give me receipt.
Huh?
I not give me no receipt.
So how you want me I believe say you pay the money? Why? What is your evidence to prove to me that you really pay the money?
The landlord no see money for your account.
Okay, if the landlord see the money for an account, why you can't they call?
You know all those people if they drink, their head not they normal. If they don't, not today na
Not
Sunday.
all of them.
That means no say that our landlord they drink. No say today na Sunday. If they don't drink, their head not they take position. But tomorrow night if I go meet, if I don't shout for once, me go sit to. I pay, truth, I pay.
Okay, where the receipt? My problem be receipt. Okay, if they don't give you receipt.
You want chop the receipt. You want
No.
chop enough food.
I want swallow am. See question. No be the receipt with the evidence.
I say I pay.
Okay, where receipt? If I go meet him tomorrow, ask and say I pay, look at the receipt. Where is the evidence I will show him that I pay? This is the receipt.
You just call this massage shot. I never pay.
Why you can't lie for me say you don't pay?
Because I know as I could take with them. You understand? So I use the money.
But why you not tell me since? You're supposed to tell me since maybe I need money to do something. Even though I'll not get it, I'll go and borrow it for you. I'll borrow it for you. But you keep landlord money, you are not paying the money. And always you carry bank home and you go to Tabaki. No, you say I'll draw the money cash, can't give you.
I will draw them. I use it for something.
Why are you supposed to tell me now, baby, I need the money to do something? Or you have your own money. Why can't you go and draw your own account money instead of drawing my own? What happened to your money in your account?
I use and do them account, so I use and do something for Africa.
Did you tell me?
And everything, must I tell you everything?
If this one is involved money, how can you draw money from my account without telling me? I even give you the money, go pay house rent, you don't pay. You see, go draw the money. It's not even pay 4 months. At least if you tell me now, baby, see. At least I've accepted the landlord things. Okay, now if they can't throw me out from this house now, where are we going to live?
We'll go look for another house.
To look for another house, is it easy? Is it easy to afford 4,000 or 5,000 euro deposit for house before they'll give you house? Or easy to get house for this Italy, especially we black? It's not easy to get house, and
God,
you know it.
God will still make it.
You know how? Do you know how we suffer? Mamma mia!
Sorry.
For food.
I'm fat, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry. Honestly, that money, I use that money. I send it home.
So what did you use it to do?
I used it to do one or two things. So I will give the landlord. I will pay the landlord. So I was thinking that tomorrow we'll go meet and we'll pay rate. About your reason, as in the old ones we don't pass. So the 4 months we will pay small. But they pay those ones small. You understand?
You know who would they pay?
You and I now.
So how?
We they pay rate.
How did they pay us rate?
Okay, now we don't owe. I use it.
You owe ya, no say we don't owe ya. Not the same we again.
Okay, I owe.
How you want to pay the money?
Rate.
How can you go and even give you money? No be small money. Go pay for house rent. You use the money, send him go home. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Without even telling me. For the first place, why did you even do it? Why are you doing something at home without even telling me anything?
The thing don't urgent.
If you don't you don't tell me anything.
Sorry.
You want to do something for home. You don't even tell me anything. You don't even discuss anything for me. I'll give you money to go pay a house rent. Poor. You send me to go Africa. 4 months. You know how much you send go home? You know how much?
But I use it for important things. I just say it tomorrow. Okay. Since tomorrow I'll go and meet the landlord. If he agree, will pay rate. I will pay rate. I will pay small. Little by little. Not like this January now you will pay full. Like those 4 months now, we will be paying maybe 100 euro or 150 every month. Rate. I'm sorry, okay? Or you give me the money to go and get landlord.
I should give you money to go and give landlord. You know how much we are talking about now?
Okay, where will I see the money?
Don't worry. I know what to do.
What do you want?
Yeah, I know what to do. I'll go fix my fees accounts. If you want to reach, the landlord will take the money by himself.
Okay, because I just ordinary 4 months now, no pay has something. You want go with fees and mathematics.
Yes, I'll fix mathematics. Yes, that one should be okay. Because of stress, I dey go work. I know I don't get that one. I want to go back, go pay the money, or go back and go pay the money. That's why always they give you the bank come go back and pay the money. For now, I'm giving you 4 months. Look at what you did.
I said I use money for home.
Okay, you use the money for even though you need money for home. Can't you tell me maybe I need money to do something for home?
That money that I use, you cannot give me once.
I cannot give you once.
I am sorry.
Even that the same money where you send go home. No be small, no be 1 month, you don't send all the money go home. If I cannot give you the money once, no be 1 month, you send all the money go home. Eh?
Sorry.
All this kind of life, I know they like him. I don't like all this kind of attitude. It's no good. How do you want me to trust you now? From now going. Yes, now. Okay, now, for example, that I keep money in the house. Okay, now when you know my bank, you know my PIN. All the time you go carry bank man, go back, go drop and they say no go.
For how many years?
Okay,
how many years have you doing
but
that?
you started 4 months. 4 months as rented. You know how much we are talking about? We are talking about 550 times 4. You know how much? 550 euro times 4.
You're not too big.
You're not too big.
2 months now 1,000.
2 months now 1,100 euro.
That is 2,400. 2,200.
Okay, can you give me the 2,200? No.
Is it 2,200? Say yes. Yes, 2,200.
Can you give me the 2,200? No. Can you give it to me here now?
Yeah, I want to say I'm giving.
Don't worry. I know what to do. The same first food is not a food.
Because of 2,000.
Second food is
because of 2,200, it shows the sharp.
Go to supermarket and steal 10 cents something and see either they will leave you or they will arrest you.
If you go to supermarket and steal food to eat, they will not do anything. People that they will not do.
They do ever okay tomorrow Monday, try and go to supermarket and thief 10 cent food and eat it and let me see either they will leave you or they will do something.
What do they want to?
Tomorrow try it, let me see.
Okay, you are sending me.
But before you try it, keep my children aside.
I'll go with them.
No. Don't go with
rice in a baby.
I mean the talk side, the thing not even dey important. You just rice in a baby.
Rice in a baby. Papa Junior in a baby. It's a prank.
Stop.
It's a prank. It's a prank. So, if you really say that true, see do you open eye because of ordinary 2,000 euro, 2,200 euro. See do you open eye for video. If you really say that true, I just see your side now. See do you open eye. You don't go pay a frontage. Did you see yourself? It's just a prank, oh. Na prank, eh?
Which kind of prank?
Na prank. Me go me like me call you. Me tell you like that.
So you will be their house. That is what you. God.
Rice in a baby. Guys, you know it will be long we haven't do prank, so na prank. Okay. I pay. We're not owing landlord, so the receipt is there. But we're not owing landlord except this month. The month never finished, so we're not owing landlord.
But why would you go and meet landlord for the first place? I tell him you should do this and auntie. Why?
No, my landlord not get choice. You don't get choice. The man don't have choice.
No, I don't like all this kind of thing now. Why they behave like this sometimes? It's not good.
What are they
How
doing?
can you go meet landlord, tell us, say, you call me, they tell me, say, I never pay us rentage for 4 months, all this kind of thing. Doesn't make sense now.
Because you now you be landlord. Is he your landlord? Okay, is he your landlord? But now me go meet him.
But why you gonna do this kind of thing? It's not good. I know they like all this kind of thing.
Rice in the baby.
First you want to eat food in this thing and see what you can cause.
Oh no, they were not owing. I don't buy the pay. We're not owing, honestly. The receipt. If you are individual, the receipt is there. We are not owing. You know, people don't bother to ask. They are go pay. You know, they bother to ask me receipt.
Because I trust you now.
Okay, trust me because they shout.
Why not the shout? Because the thing shocked me.
You are shouting 4 months.
Yes, the thing shocked me 4 months.
You are shouting 2,000 euros.
2,000 euros. Is it easy to get 2,000 euros for this kind of hard time?
You are shouting. If you really say that true, I say you see react.
I go even shout pass like this, oh. But because of this camera, that make me even reduce my attitude small.
Before put me the right thing. Okay, guys.
Guys, we thank God say na pranko. Because if na really true, please tell me if you are the one, what will you do?
They're not going to do anything.
Please.
They're not going to do anything.
Any man in life that all this kind of thing happened to him, if it is him, what will he do at the moment?
Yeah, they will not do anything.
Please let us know at the comments section.
Okay,
God
guys.
bless you and God bless you all.
Please, if you finish watching this video, please do not forget to give us thumbs up, like the video, feel free to leave your comment, share our